Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. Today is day number 92 of 365. Are you ready for it? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence. And I do that through these daily videos, through my specialist women's portrait photography, and through my online conscious confidence course. Today is day 92 of 365, and the thought of the day reads, align your actions to your desires. Confidence thrives when you align. So we've come back from our lovely long Easter weekend away with my folks. And we're back home, just unpacked and getting back into, headspace for the week ahead. I have to say though that I kind of wish I was still away on holiday, chilling and relaxing. Do you ever feel like that? Like, where does 4 days go? It's just crazy. But I suppose that's just how things go. So the way I'm feeling at the moment, I really need to be telling myself this mantra today, because I don't now feel like doing anything. Once the unpacking is done, I just want to veg. That's what I feel like doing. I want to chill and veg and not do anything, which on the one hand is fine. You've got to listen to your body, and if your body is telling you that you need to be resting, then that's what you need to do. But have you ever had this feeling when you know that you've got so much to do, or you're kind of like antsy and frustrated, like something is nagging, like something needs to be done, or you should be doing something more constructive, or you should be planning for the week ahead, and yet you're just not doing it. You're just sitting there vegging or sitting there binge watching Netflix. Do you ever have those days? I have those days. I'm having one of those days now, and I actually don't like it when I have these kinds of moments, because I feel like I want to be working towards, the goals, and I'm feeling kind of out of sorts at the moment, because it's late now I was going to say it's Sunday, but it's not, it's Monday. It's late on a Monday afternoon, and I feel like there's not enough of the day left for me to turn on my laptop and get some work done, and yet I don't feel like doing that anyway. Have you ever had that where you really want something? You've got your eye on a goal, on something that you want to achieve, or something that you want to attain. Maybe it's something you want to buy or have, or maybe it's an experience you want to have. You've got a desire, and yet you find yourself not taking action towards that desire. Have you ever experienced that? And think about how does that feel when you don't take the action towards this thing you desire? You want the thing, but you don't want to take the action. I'm kind of feeling like that right now, having come back from a long weekend away, that I want to crack on and, fire up the laptop, because I completely unplugged this weekend, which is absolutely great. It was so lovely to completely unplug. I did record my videos, which I will be editing shortly and uploading. So there will be a mass upload. Besides, the recording of these videos are completely detached from anything to do with work, or it was just great. Completely, there wasn't much of a signal where we were, so you couldn't even go onto social media. And it was a nice change of pace. It was a really nice change of pace. But now I get back home, and the feeling, what starts to creep up is that, I need to turn on the laptop to get some work done, because it's been 4 days of not checking emails and not doing anything. And I really value my work. I really value my business, and I've got big goals for what I want to achieve. And so I'm always dedicated to doing the work to get me closer to those goals. But I also recognize that you need the downtime as well. And now this puts me in a bit of an icky place, because on the one hand, disconnecting was really great and I want to do more of that. But on the other hand, I want to achieve that goal and I want to get back to doing my work stuff, but I don't feel like doing the work stuff. And so now I sit in this no man's land where I have desires to go and do the work, but I'm not taking the action, and that gives me this unsettling feeling, and then so when you don't align your actions to your desires, you don't align your actions towards your goals, you spend so much energy going into your head what you should do, what you could do, and you'll end up having, kind of a mental beating, giving yourself a mental beating, and that's not good for confidence at all. On the one hand, right now my desire is to just chill and extend this long weekend as much as possible, maybe do some Good Wife binge watching, and then so the actions that I would need to take there is to fire up the popcorn, load up the Netflix and hit play. So desire and actions. On the other hand, my desire to do some work, the actions I would need to take is to turn on the laptop, go into my emails and start clearing things out, or start posting things, checking in everywhere, planning for the week ahead. So now I suppose the question is, which desire is stronger? Which do I want more? Which would be more beneficial to me? And to then align my actions accordingly, because at the moment I'm taking no action because I haven't decided which desire is stronger, and that does unsettle me, and that does make my confidence drop, because I'm like, what the hell? I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. I'm so tired actually, and I think that answers my question. I'm tired, I'm feeling really tired, so I'm gonna go the good wife route. Yes, and now that I've made that decision, I feel so much better. Thanks for... How was your Easter weekend? What did you do? What did you get up to? Where did you go? Let me know in the comments down below. This conversation is going nowhere. I can't really seem to string a lucid thought together. So I'll leave it there, and you can... My brain just does not want to function today. Align your actions to your desires, because if you take action towards your desires, you're going to feel so much better. You will feel a sense of accomplishment, and that sense of accomplishment is going to make you feel more confident in yourself. You're honoring your desires, you're honoring your integrity. If you want it, take the action. Do what needs to get done. Let's leave it there. Now, my desire is that you like this video. Take that action, give it a thumbs up. And my desire is that you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications button as well. Take that action. And the last action that I desire for you is that you enjoy the rest of your Easter Monday. Take it easy. Do what makes your heart happy. Decide what it is that makes your heart happy, and then go out and do that. I promise you, your confidence will grow when you're in alignment with your desires, when your actions are in alignment with your desires. So go out and do what makes your heart happy. And hopefully tomorrow my brain will be functioning again, so I can have a proper conversation with you. So until then,